So early on, there was not a lot of products out there available to the end user. So taking my background experience with understanding the physical aspects of stone and the chemistry of stone and what works and what does not lend itself to formulating products, essentially evolving to the first product, which was the Granite Gold Daily Cleaner. There was not a product out there that was pH balanced enough that was safe on stone without damaging it.
Yeah, nothing else that really worked well, that we were confident as fabricators to recommend it. And Lenny, you remember in the beginning where the small little warehouse, and we were taking labels and putting them on by hand and filling the jugs, and our labels were a little crooked right in the beginning.
In the middle of the night at all hours. It's I guess part of that was the entrepreneurial spirit and the motivation to get out there, and we knew we had a winner, and we just had to focus on what it was going to take to get it out to our customers.